everyone, welcome to my channel Beauty by Tellie. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and follow me in the social media links in the description box. So today I want to try a new playlist idea in my channel. As you guys know, I'm super in love with Kracie Popin Cookins. These are miniature assemble yourself food toys. So they have a bunch of powders inside, you mix them up, and in the end you get the food that's displayed right on the box. These are super relaxing and easy to follow, so normally I don't even take English instructions, but sometimes I do have to check them. But anyway, let's begin with my assembly. So yeah, just by inspecting the box, you can see that you sort of make your own like ice cream shop, and you can see from the picture that you just pipe out some frosting to a cone. I actually had a toy similar to this from Regina's in Green Hills. It's called Kitty Boy, but the cream was already pre-assembled. For Kracie Popin Cookin, I'm gonna have to mix up my own cream. I'm guessing this means everything's gonna be strawberry flavored, and on the side of the box you can see how to fold it so that it becomes your little like ice cream shop. It's so cute! Inside the kit you have the measuring cups and the mixing molds, 2 sachets, one pink, one blue, and then some sprinkle bits, a piping bag, and a spoon. First step, you cut this one. Put 1 cup of water in each tray. Pour the pink pack onto the full corner and the blue pack in the cut corner. Pink on the full corner, blue on the cut corner. Mix it carefully. I think one of the biggest challenges with these kits is actually not to spill all the powder when you try to mix it with water. It's really soothing for me how the consistency of the cream goes from kind of liquidy and wet, and then it just like slowly emulsifies and gets richer and thicker. It's so soothing. I'm gonna put the pink one on one side. And I know professional bakers are gonna be so mad at me for not folding the icing bag, but to be fair to Kracie, that was in the instructions, I just forgot to do it. And next I'm gonna put the white cream onto the other side of the piping bag. I'm gonna try to keep it really separate so that when I pipe out, it's gonna be a clean stripe. Squeeze the cream as far as you can and cut 1 cm off the tip. Basically, that's all you need to mix. You can now put your ice cream in your several different kinds of cones. No! I don't know really. Woo! So I'm just copying exactly what they've presented in the box. I have no creativity for pastry decoration whatsoever. Pour these sprinkles all over as a finishing touch. Okay, these are all the pieces, and I'm just gonna set up shop. See you guys in a bit.